What is up guys, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. We have installed another custom ROM and this time, if you can guess, we have installed Colt OS official custom ROM available for Redmi Note 8 and a lot of devices. It's available as official build for some great devices, and if your device is not in the list, maybe you will have the unofficial build, and if it's not available for your device, you can use the GSI, of course, as you already know about that. This is Colt OS official version, which has a Colt wallpapers, a great collection of wallpapers which you can use on your device. And this video I'm going to share with you which are the best features about Colt OS. Should you install this build on your device in the terms of features or not? Make sure to watch this video till the end to understand everything. I'm going to share out with you a lot of things and some other things like it has the safety net check is passed or not using Magisk 20.4. Let's get started. So first of all, we're gonna start up with the home screen and the launcher, including the wallpaper. If you're seeing this wallpaper, it is not pre-installed, but yes, it is pre-installed. You can simply use the Colt wallpapers app, which is pre-installed, available in this custom ROM, and go to collections. Here you have some great wallpaper collections. You have superhero 57 wallpapers, PUBG wallpapers of 15 in the quantity, as you can see, 15 PUBG wallpapers. So if you're a PUBG wallpaper lover, you can use these wallpapers on your device. It has a lot of wallpapers collection available in the Colt walls, and it has some minimalistic wallpapers options are available too, which I personally choose a lot, and these wallpapers are just super duper great. So this is plus one for this custom ROM, that you don't need to find out any wallpaper, any compatible wallpaper for your device. It's a great thing. If we talk about the default launcher, we have the launcher pre-installed as expected, which has some little bit of customization features. You already know about that. It's based on Pixel launcher, so it has some customizations including desktop at a glance, dock, drawer, edge. If we talk about the camera maybe depends upon your device. Like I'm using Redmi Note 8, so I got the Mi camera pre-installed, where I have the ultra wide, this zoom camera, and this macro lens is available here too. And talking about other things, when you go to settings, I have this Mi camera settings. I was expecting actually the ANX camera, but unfortunately ANX camera is no more supported for Redmi Note 8. Already you can install that if you want to. It means actually third party thing, but by default you will not get ANX camera in any custom ROM, as I think, as far as I know. But other things are just same. Mi camera, you already know about that, we don't need to check it out now. If we talk about the Magisk manager's safety net status, let me just tell you by opening Magisk, and let me just show you first. I'm using Magisk 20.4, the latest Magisk version. So if I check the safety net status, and one of the best part is safety net status is passed for my device. So this is one of the greatest and positive things, that I can use the latest Magisk alongside with my device is certified. Let me just tell you, my device is certified now. Go to settings here, and here I have my device is certified, and both of the things are just fine. You should try out this thing in the terms of these kind of things. Now let's move on straight to some other things. We have this music app pre-installed available, this gallery and settings and these kind of things. We're going to take a look at the Colt OS great settings. So as I already told you, Colt OS has some great settings, great features. So we are not going to take a look at these kind of settings. We're just going to straight take a look on Colt OS settings, which it has some great features. First of all, we have the status bar, buttons, lock screen, system, and about. If you go to about section, you will get to know that what is about a Colt OS. These are some official Colt OS developers, which is the founder, Colt developer, man behind the beautification Colt team, and last one we have the kernel developer. And now we have the maintainers, which are official maintainers from Colt OS team, which includes these kind of devices: OnePlus, OnePlus 3T, and actually it is Google Pixel 2 XL, Redmi K20 Pro. And there are a lot of devices which are officially supported by the Colt OS team. And if your device is unfortunately not in the list, you can still use the unofficial version, maybe that is available for your device. And also after that, you have the GSI options available too. We have the status bar customization options where you can simply adjust your brightness by sliding over this status bar, which is one of the great features ever. And you can choose the display VoLTE icon. My carrier does not support the VoLTE and Wi-Fi, so that's why there's no icon on the status bar. But you can still use these kind of things. This is almost bugless because from official team, you will not find any bugs at all. Carrier label, as you can see, you can apply this. Talking about the clock settings, you can change the clock font also. At the status bar, you can customize your clock font style. As you can see, if you can notice my clock fonts, these are changed, and you can choose these kind of things by simply going here, and there are a lot of extra fonts available, which is kind of new thing and kind of good thing. We can customize the battery style also. You can customize the battery bar, status bar, battery, and some little bit of other things. All other things are just same. Quick settings has some little bit of extra features, like you can just customize the quick settings the header like this. Let me just show you. This is the quick settings header I have applied, and all other things are same. We have the quick settings footer text available here too, which you can use if you want to. All other things are just same. You can customize the quick settings themes also. Tint mode to random, ascent, or disco. If you choose the disco mode, let me tell you how this will work. This is how it will work. Some random colors and these kind of things, and this is the other things too: ascent color, random color, and tint off. Whichever things you like, you can choose that one. Other things are just same here. We have the buttons customizations, navigation bar, power menu, and gestures. And one of the best thing about this build, which I personally used, if I go here, you can see there's no extra space behind the no extra space down the keyboard, which is one of the great things ever, because that was the main headache behind using full screen gestures. But yes, finally it's not there, so this is kind of great thing for me. One of the best things which I personally liked and use this thing. Swipe three fingers to screenshot option is available too, so all the main features and things are available. You can customize your lock screen. Now move on to system. We have the notifications, animations, and here we have the Colt decorations, where you can customize the Colt OS themes. You can customize the switch appearance to OnePlus, narrow, or contained, and settings, dashboard icons you can customize. You can customize the Colt OS themes. When you click here, you get a lot of themes options: Colt Mizu, transparent Colt, material ocean, baked green, solarized dark, and these kind of themes. You can simply use them if you want to, but all other things are just same here. You have some screen customization options, which include the use framework values, and miscellaneous have the recent styles. Just click here and you have the option of choosing the Omni switch or the normal one. If you are a normal user, if you are old user of Android, you will get to know about the Omni switch recent, so you can choose these kind of things also. If you move on to the gaming mode, we have these kind of gaming mode options where you can block all the notifications. Dynamic mode, you can simply manually add apps in the gaming mode so that the gaming mode is automatically active after you launch that app. We have the wake lock blocker also, and these kind of things I already shown you. And now we have the animations option too, where this is one of the great thing. We have the screen of animations options available too, but these are just simple and normal one. You have no options to customize them. You can customize the power menu animation also. If you choose the 3D menu, your power menu will boot up like this, and this is kind of great thing. You can customize your power menu also, and this is the volume panel which I have applied. We have this percentage here too, which is looking nice, and disable transition animations, activity open animations, task open, wallpaper open. A lot of animation options are available here too, which you can choose if you want to. All of these things I have already shown you. So these were all the features about the Colt OS custom ROM. All of the features are just same here, nothing else. Everything is same. This is my device, Xiaomi's Redmi Note 8. I'm using the Colt OS latest official custom ROM, which has the August security patch and based on Android version 10. You can also use that if you want to. This was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.